Eructation is more commonly known as burping or belching. It corresponds to gas being discharged from the mouth, generally accompanied by a sound and maybe even a smell. We may burp for several reasons. You are probably well aware of one of them, drinking fizzy drinks. Generally, burping also occurs when you eat or drink too quickly. It can also be the result of gastroesophageal reflux and a phenomenon called aerophagia. Aerophagia literally means eating air and corresponds to the absorption of air during swallowing. You might be asking yourself, how is it possible to swallow air? This can happen when you take small sips of hot beverages, drink with a straw, or even while you chew gum. When babies eat, a lot of gas accumulates in their stomach, and we help them burp this gas by gently tapping them on the back, but not so hard as to trigger vomiting. Did you know that humans are not the only ones to burp? Some animals also burp, cows and sheep, for example. And one last point, the Englishman Paul Hun holds the world record for the loudest burp, which was measured at 109.9 decibels, nearly as loud as a chainsaw.